Today I'm answering the question, what are the main causes for female hair loss? One of the main reasons for female hair loss is hormone imbalance. Oftentimes, women will notice a change in their hair after a significant hormonal change. Childbirth, pregnancy, dramatic weight loss, menopause. Iron deficiency or anemia can be another cause. Iron is necessary to producing hair cell proteins. When there is an iron deficiency in the body, it can be one of the causes of hair loss because the body isn't producing enough hemoglobin loss. Emotional stress can also affect hair loss as well. Big changes in life like getting a divorce, losing a job, losing a parent, having to move, and financial difficulty can cause a great amount of stress on the body. Weight loss, whether intentional or unintentional, can cause hair loss. It's a dramatic shift in the body and it does impact our hair. Medications and drugs are some of the most prevalent causes of hair loss. Some drugs can impact the natural hair growth cycle at different stages. Generally, it is not permanent, so if you notice that your hair is being affected by a medication that you're taking, do speak with a professional.